Charlie Munger famously said, "The first milestone is the hardest, but saving your first $10,000 is closer than you think."
With rising living costs, saving feels almost impossible for most Americans. Here are 5 simple rules that actually work.
With rising living costs, saving feels almost impossible for most Americans. Here are 5 simple rules that actually work. Rule number 1. Stop leaving your cash in traditional checking accounts, earning an embarrassing 0.01% interest. Move your emergency fund to a high-yield savings account. Get 4 to 5% risk-free return just letting it sit there.
Rule number 2. Master the 50-30-20 rule. 50% covers your essentials. 30% goes to your lifestyle and wants.
And that vital 20%? Automate it directly into savings and debt payoff the exact day your paycheck arrives.
Rule number 3. The 48-hour rule. Before buying anything non-essential over $50, force yourself to wait 2 full days.
Rule number 5. You can only cut so much, but your income potential is unlimited. Focus on high-income skills and side hustles.
Hit the like button and subscribe for actionable personal finance strategies. Start building your financial freedom today.